Ottawa is the capital city of Canada, serving as the political and administrative center of the country. It is located in the southern part of Ontario, where the Ottawa and Rideau rivers meet. This strategic position has contributed to the city's historical and cultural significance. Ottawa is known for its beautiful riverside landscapes and its role as a hub for government and national institutions. The city's location also makes it a gateway between English-speaking and French-speaking regions of Canada. With a population of just over 1 million people, Ottawa is the fourth largest city in the country. The city sits at the meeting point of the Ottawa and Rideau rivers, giving it a unique and scenic location. As the nation's capital, Ottawa is an important center for government and culture in Canada. Its diverse population and vibrant atmosphere make it a significant and lively city. Ottawa experiences a climate with 4 distinct seasons. Summers in the city are usually warm and humid, with average high temperatures in July reaching about 25 degrees Celsius or 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Winters, on the other hand, are cold and snowy. In January, the average minimum temperature drops to around -14 degrees Celsius, which is about 7 degrees Fahrenheit. Ottawa receives a significant amount of snowfall each year, with approximately 235 centimeters, or 93 inches, falling annually. This combination of warm summers and snowy winters gives Ottawa a unique and varied climate throughout the year. Rainfall is spread throughout the year, helping to keep the city's parks and gardens lush and green. The changing seasons offer a variety of outdoor activities, from skating on the frozen Rideau Canal in winter to enjoying festivals and blooming tulips in spring. Ottawa is home to many fascinating places to visit. The city features several national museums, such as the National Gallery of Canada, where you can see impressive works of art, and the Canadian Museum of Nature, which showcases exhibits about animals and the natural world. Another important site is the Canadian War Museum, dedicated to the history of Canada's military. One of Ottawa's most famous landmarks is the Rideau Canal. In the summer, people enjoy walking or boating along the canal, while in winter, it transforms into the world's largest skating rink. It is 7.8 kilometers long. You can skate from one part of the city to another. These attractions make Ottawa a wonderful destination for learning and fun throughout the year. A place you must see is Parliament Hill. This is the heart of the country. It has the big old Parliament buildings where the laws are made for all of Canada. Look up at the very tall Peace Tower. It is a beautiful example of Gothic architecture, which means it looks like an old European castle. In the summer, you can often see the soldiers here for the changing of the guard ceremony. Another great place to visit is the Byward Market. This is one of the oldest and largest public markets in all of Canada. It is a big, busy place. You can buy fresh food, beautiful flowers, and many local things here. It is open all day and night with many small shops and restaurants. It is a perfect place to try your first beaver tail. Ottawa is known for its vibrant and diverse food scene, reflecting the city's multicultural population. Local specialties include BeaverTails, a sweet fried pastry often enjoyed at festivals and markets, and Poutine, a comforting dish made of fries topped with cheese curds and gravy. In addition to these Canadian favorites, Ottawa offers a wide range of international cuisines, from Italian and Indian to Middle Eastern and Asian dishes. Whether you are looking for traditional Canadian treats or flavors from around the world, Ottawa has something to satisfy every palate. Ottawa is known for its lively festivals and unique customs that bring people together throughout the year. In February, the city hosts Winterlude, a celebration featuring impressive ice sculptures and skating on the frozen Rideau Canal. On July 1st, Ottawa becomes the center of Canada Day festivities, with fireworks and music filling Parliament Hill and the surrounding areas. Each May, the Tulip Festival transforms parks and gardens with millions of colorful tulips, symbolizing friendship between Canada and the Netherlands. These events highlight Ottawa's vibrant community spirit and its rich cultural traditions. So, why should Ottawa be your next stop? The answer is simple. You must visit because this is the capital of Canada, where history and government meet at Parliament Hill. And you will love the unique feeling of the bilingual culture, where you hear both French and English all the time. The city is also full of action. In winter, you can skate on the famous Rideau Canal, which is the longest ice rink in the world. Or, if you prefer sun, come in spring to see millions of colorful tulips. Plus, remember the food. You must try the famous Poutine and the sweet BeaverTails. A quick tip for your trip. The city center is very easy to walk, so save your money and explore on foot. Ottawa is friendly, beautiful, and full of unique fun. You must come and see this great Canadian city.